Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and welcome to the Juniper Open Shortest Path First OSPF lab number 8. In this lab, we're going to take a look at external route summarization. And if this network diagram looks familiar, that is because we used it in OSPF lab number 5, 6, 7, and now in OSPF lab number 8. What I'm going to do first is explain the network topology. And then we're going to, if you were following me with OSPF lab number 7, where we did internal route summarization, we're going to start off where we left. We're going to start where we left off in that lab. So first let me go ahead and explain the network diagram. We have router 1, 2, and 3 in OSPF area 0. We have router 2 and 4 in OSPF area 24. We have router 3 and 5 in OSPF area 35. And then we have router 6 that has 4 external routes off its loopback 0.6 interface. We're bringing those routes into our OSPF domain, into OSPF area 35. So they're going to be coming in externally. We have an export policy set up on R5. And on R5 has reachability to these routes via static routes. And then R6 has a default route pointing towards router 5. And also on R4 we have loopback 0.4 that is being advertised into OSPF area 24. And those routes we used with OSPF lab number 7 when we did internal route summarization. I showed you how to do that. We accomplished that on our area border router on R2. Let me also explain, we have logical tunnels, and these tunnels are between all of the routers. They're basically connecting all of the routers together. And if you're not familiar with logical tunnel interfaces, what you can do is check out, I have 2 videos on logical systems that explain them in detail. If I were you, I would watch those before trying to attempt this, but you don't really need to have those if you already know what they are. The logical tunnels are just connecting all of our logical systems together. And if you're not familiar with logical systems, what a logical system is it breaks up. I have access to one physical Juniper router, and then I can create multiple virtual routers or logical systems in which I can run routing protocols between them all and connect them all with logical tunnel interfaces. So that's what we're doing in this lab and a lot of the labs that I do. The router IPs are as follows. Router 1 has the .1 on all of its interfaces. Router 2 is using the .2 and so on. As you can see off of router 6, it's using the .6, and router 4 is using the .4. All the logical tunnels are LT-120.XX. For instance, the link between